If you're looking for camping and hiking gear, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Bestsellers. Handcuffs Camping and Hiking 2017. Number 1, Bestseller, by Handcuffs. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Handcuffs. Number 3. For more info about Handcuffs Camping and Hiking, click the circle in the corner. Number 4. Number 5, also by Handcuffs. Find these camping and hiking gear at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Wiener Beauty.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.